Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing what you need and equipping the device. Find or craft the Spotlight module, then make sure you have a power source, battery pack, or small generator to avoid mid-use shutdowns. Attach the Spotlight to a tripod, vehicle mount, or helmet adapter so it's stable. This prevents jitter and conserves power. Once done, position the assembly toward the target area and make sure connectors click into place. This ensures the beam aligns properly when you switch it on. You now power and aim the Spotlight with purpose. Activate the unit using the designated key or action, then choose an intensity level: high for distant illumination, medium to conserve battery. Use coarse adjustments first to center the beam, then fine-tune elevation and pan to remove glare or shadows. Keep an eye on battery percent and any heat buildup. If things warm up, lower intensity or use pulsed bursts to extend runtime. This method preserves resources while keeping targets visible. Finish by securing the setup and performing quick maintenance. Lock mounts and tie down cables so movement doesn't throw off alignment, and always carry spare batteries or a small fuel can for the generator to avoid long outages. If the Spotlight starts to flicker or dims unexpectedly, first check electrical connections and cable integrity, then inspect fuses and any thermal shutdown indicators. Reconnect or swap parts as needed. If that fails, reposition the unit to reduce strain and try a fresh power source.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.